Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Hagajia le ban pinjana shu yakurukam pinsung thu pajba halor ka jingmau knyang jingpang HIV AIDS but kumno ban lat na katega jingpang nagalyang ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ka Max haka khat artre gunailar araja arpun rio ka bare ka sngi ka babaro ko ka perthai ka rakhi ya ka International Youth Day kala play pajba ya ka intensified IEC campaign araja arpun rio on HIV AIDS but STI hagajia lang ka balapan long Halidikin College Shillong. Hagani ka jing lang lawan banyasim banta rawa wailat miki Shillong Myntri berikmi yakatanat kakot kakya kumukongsan haringkat ka jing don lang u Dr. Joram Beda Commissioner but Secretary katanat kakot kakya Dr. KL Yaubor Joint Director DHS but Project Director ka Max nalor kiwe pan. Haba ajing kran hagani ka jing lang u ba wailat miki Shillong loong dibrio kiba imbat ka HIV kila register yala dia hagani ka jella Henry namar ka jing sha yalam bakla nalor ka jing sha nyoben ka penlong yaki ban kyar na ka jing sha Sumar bat ban le yaki test. Ula Kyntu ki samla bat ki Red Ribbon Club. Bakinya tray lang ban pen sngotu pat ba bat banyale persa ya ka jing sha nyoben yaki ba imbat uniu knyang jingpang. Nalor kata ul ongru baga jing Sumar yaw HIV ka day ka bam Donkam ban Siew Pisa haki ART Center ka sarkar jela bat kumta ula Kyntu ya baro bakin let yaki test bat ban tip yala ka jing long jing man.
Meghalaya has made important progress in its HIV response, but we must also recognize the responsibility before us. We have more than 90,000 people living with HIV registered in our state. These are not simply statistics. Behind every number is a person, a family, and a story. Our responsibility is to ensure that these individuals have access to treatment, care, support, and above all, dignity. We must also ensure that people who may be at risk are not afraid to come forward for testing and counseling. And this is where awareness becomes extremely important. Many people still have misconception about HIV. Some are afraid to get tested. Some do not know where to seek help. And unfortunately, some people living with HIV continue to experience stigma and discrimination. We must change this. HIV should never be a source of shame. Seeking an HIV test should never be a source of fear. And living with HIV should never mean losing one's dignity. This is why I welcome the intensified IEC campaign being undertaken by MAX. Over the next 2 months, this campaign will take HIV and STI awareness much deeper into our communities. Over the next 2 months, this campaign will take HIV and STI awareness and reach almost 1,026 villages, 300 schools and 85 colleges, conduct 3,000 awareness sessions in schools, reach 15,000 households, organize 16 special booths to take the message to the public. This number demonstrates the scale of our ambition. But I want to emphasize that government will not measure the success of this campaign only by numbers. We must measure success by the change we create. If a young person learns how to prevent HIV, that is a success. If someone decides to get tested because of this campaign, that is a success. If a person living with HIV receives support rather than discrimination, that is a success. If a family understands that HIV cannot be spread through ordinary social contact, that is a success. And if our communities become more open, informed, and compassionate, that is the success we are looking for. My message to our young people is especially important. You are not only the audience of this campaign, you are its partner. I encourage our young people to ask questions, seek correct information, and reject myth and misinformation. I encourage our school and colleges to create safe spaces where young people can discuss HIV, sexual health, and prevention without fear or embarrassment. Prevention begins with knowledge, and knowledge must reach our young people before misinformation does. My message to the people of Meghalaya is also very simple. Let us not judge people living with HIV. Let us support them. Let us encourage testing. Let us encourage treatment. And let us create community where a person can say, I need help, without being afraid of discrimination.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.